Hello and welcome back. We're going to do something a little bit different today. Haven't been in the garage at all this week. Just been too busy with Christmas and everything. So I thought I'd make you all a quick little outtakes video just so you can have a bit of a laugh. Have a good Christmas and I'll see you all in the new year. Bye. Hello and welcome back to Project... What's it called? Hello and welcome back to Project Bumble. Right, okay, so are we recording? Maybe. Right, okay. So, yeah, my phone ran out of space, so let's try this again. I've got the camera now, so right, where did I get to? Ba, ba, ba. Meet me. Meet me. Hey, wait. Hi, you alright?
I'm so sorry.
That's alright, no problem. Right, hello, and so we are welcome back. We are back in the garage. Right, hello, we are welcome back. Had pretty busy month. I wanted and also I've just hit 200 subscribers. So if you want to subscribe. Sorry, phone started ringing. Got a little list here that we worked through. Well, I was going to say yesterday, but yesterday I filmed it yesterday, but I published it yesterday. Crap. Right. So yeah, we got. If you can like and subscribe, put a comment down below. If you just want to put a comment down below, and that way you can subscribe and hit the notification bell down there somewhere, over here maybe, and then you'll get notifications whenever I upload